Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadilla sauce. This simple recipe uses ingredients you likely already have, making it perfect for a last-minute meal. We'll combine creamy mayonnaise and tangy sour cream as our base. A squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens everything up, and a few key spices like chili powder and cumin will give it that authentic, zesty kick. It's incredibly versatile and comes together in just a few minutes. First, grab a small mixing bowl. This will make combining everything super easy. Start by adding 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of tangy sour cream to the bowl. These two ingredients form the rich and smooth base of our sauce. Next, squeeze in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. The acidity from the lime is crucial for balancing the richness and adding a bright, refreshing note to the sauce. Now it's time to bring in the flavor with our spices. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder to the mixture. This provides a lovely warmth without being overly spicy. Then, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, which adds a wonderful earthy depth that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Finally, take a whisk and thoroughly combine everything until the sauce is completely smooth and creamy. Ensure there are no lumps for the best texture. Your delicious quesadilla sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately alongside your hot, cheesy quesadillas, or use it as a dip for chips or even a spread for sandwiches. If you have any leftover sauce, simply transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.